19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Justin, you got about 5 more to go. All right, 10 push-ups.
You want me to count?
I think you're being honest. Yes. Let's go.
Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, so now we're going to do what we call super plyometrics. All right. So what we're going to do is just going to climb up. 1, down. 1, 2, back up. All right. We'll do that 10 times. I know. Want me to do it with you? But if I do it with you, we got to do it 30 times. Oh, I'll do it with you. You know what the kid did? He's like, why don't you do this with me? I'm like, okay. So I said, we'll do what's it called? Diamond. We'll do the diamonds. So he was out at 25, so I just did 50 on him. Go challenge him, bitch.
Eddie.
Ready?
Chilling.
Let's go.
Tranquilo.
That's a base hit. Is he going to get a triple? He's going to get a triple. I always like fat shortstops. Okay, let's go. Well, they think they're shortstops, and Are we ready? Maybe get some distance. Eric, you want to do this with them? He really wanted to say yes, bitch. All right, ready? Let's begin. Up. 1. Up. 3. 2. I count it. 3 again. 4. 4. 'All right, now 5 after this. 5 push-up chest. Hey, how you doing? Where are they? Where are my kids? All right, oh. All right, 10 straight, up. What up, big man? 10 straight up, let's go.
Wait, 10.
I'm here. So you play tomorrow, right? All right, this is going to be your last one, okay? Now I want you to go over and get your bat for me. All right, everybody to the fence and back. Last one, that's 25 push-ups. Don't run in front of him. Don't run in front of him. Don't run in front of him. this the best shape you've ever been in? Is this the best shape you've ever been in?